The main navigation bar on the left is where you navigate through various aspects of your account and your projects. The project view is the default view. It gives you all the projects that are active sorted by the media or project content. The media option is all of the media within all of the projects that are sorted. So basically an overall view of all pictures taken into the account. We come back to reference binder in a second, but let's talk about maps. Map are the location of all your projects. So in this example, we have 4 projects, and in those projects are located in the areas that you see here. Recycle bin is where the projects end up if you mark them for deletion. Once you delete them, they appear into recycle bin. You can then bring it back or clear the recycle bin. Also, on the same navigation bar, you have InQuest. It has all of the various features and agents listed here that you can use across projects or elsewhere. Now let's talk about Reference Binder. Reference Binder is a very important part of every project setup. It contains all of the company, all of the account defaults. For example, you might have planting guides, you might have bids, you might have costs. Once it is put here in a reference binder, the entire system becomes aware of it, and InQuest can use it. So you're basically training the AI system on your own content for your own use. Within projects, we also have project binder. So there's a project binder, and then there's a reference binder. Project binder are documents related to that specific project. There might be design, there might be bids, there might be various other aspects of it. So once again, reference binder is account-wide, company-wide. Project binder is project-wide.